Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, August 11th. A lot to talk about this morning. We have a major rain event headed to the mid-Atlantic and northeastern part of the country for later Tuesday into Wednesday. Severe weather is also a possibility Tuesday night in the I-95 corridor between D.C. and New York City, and on Wednesday up across New England. Severe weather will be a possibility. Flash flooding. Anywhere from 2 to as much as 5 inches of rain can fall in some spots across the northeastern U.S. over the next 48 hours or so. Let's start off by looking at this morning's surface map. High pressure still controls the weather for the most part in the northeastern part of the country, but that will lose its grip and open the door for some nasty weather. Clouds have already rolled into the D.C. metro region from the south and west. They should remain mostly cloudy today across D.C. Sun will fade behind increasing clouds across southeastern part of Pennsylvania. New York City should stay mostly sunny throughout the day, and as a result of the full day of sunshine up there, temperatures will jump into the mid to upper 80s. Upstream, however, low pressure over the northern plains, some low pressure over the south central part of the country. We'll see in a moment. Radar will show lots of showers and thunderstorms in this part of the area, slowly working its way towards the northeastern part of the country. Here's, in fact, the latest radar map from Mesonet.org. Lots of showers and thunderstorms across the Ohio Valley and down across the south central part of the U.S. Mostly cloudy right now in D.C., and they should stay rain-free throughout the day, although showers can move in during the evening hours, probably after 9 or 10 p.m. Rain-free certainly throughout the day today across Philadelphia and New York City. There can be a few showers in Philly and New York City towards morning, and then that will only intensify during the day on Tuesday. The greatest threat for heavy rain in the D.C., Philly, and New York City metro regions from this upcoming event will be on Tuesday afternoon and during the nighttime hours tomorrow night into the early part of Wednesday. Well, let's take a look at some forecast maps for this upcoming major rain event. Let's start off at 500 millibars. This is a key player for this upcoming weather event here. Another unusually deep upper level low for this time of the year, dropping south and east from the Great Lakes towards the northeast U.S. over the next 48 hours, and that will help trigger this heavy rain event and again potential for some severe weather tomorrow night and Wednesday. This is the forecast map for this evening, Monday evening, from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run, and again a deep, vigorous upper-level low situated over the western Great Lakes by early this evening. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. A deep upper-level low situated over the central Great Lakes. Let's jump ahead another 12 hours by tomorrow night. A negative tilt starting to set up here with this upper-level low. Again, this is the forecast map from last night's Zero-Z GFS for tomorrow night, Tuesday evening. And again, this is the time for the potential for some severe weather across D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Certainly a heavy rain event is likely in that I-95 corridor region from tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night. Let's now jump ahead to Wednesday morning. Here it is, Wednesday morning, a negatively tilted upper level trough situated over the northeastern part of the country. Wednesday will be a wild day across New England with heavy rain and potential for some severe weather. Flash flooding is a concern up and down the I-95 corridor, really from D.C. all the way up to Boston and into Maine from this upcoming weather event. Again, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night into early Wednesday from D.C. to New York City, and then during the day on Wednesday across the New England area. 2 inches of rain can fall in many spots to as much as 5 inches, potentially as much as 5 inches in some isolated areas across the northeastern U.S. over the next 48 hours. Well, now let's focus in on the surface forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. We'll run through the same 12-hour increments from this evening into Wednesday morning. By this evening, the surface low over the central part of the Great Lakes, still for the most part rain-free, maybe showers moving into the D.C. metro region during the evening hours after, let's say, 8, 9 p.m. or so. Rain-free throughout the day across Philadelphia and New York City. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. That high pressure that has been protecting us here in the northeastern part of the country over the last few days moves off the New England coastline, rain moves into the I-95 corridor on Tuesday, and it looks like the greatest threat for the heaviest rain will be during the afternoon and evening hours on Tuesday. Let's now jump ahead to Tuesday evening's forecast map. Tomorrow evening, heavy showers and thunderstorms throughout the I-95 corridor. Again, there can be as much as 2 inches in some spots, and perhaps even more than that up across New York area and into New England on the day on Wednesday. Let's now jump ahead another 12 hours. By Wednesday morning, the rainfall, showers, and thunderstorms will be winding down across Philadelphia. It may take a little bit longer into perhaps the midday, early afternoon hours across New York City, and then the rest of the day on Wednesday will just be some wild weather across New England with heavy rainfall and the potential for some severe weather given this very unusually deep upper level low. When all is said and done, let's take a look now at the NOAA weather forecast for total rain from this upcoming event. And here it is. By the end of the day on Wednesday, this is what NOAA is forecasting, NOAA weather forecast for the total precipitation amounts as much as 5 inches of rain right here across the southern part of Maine into northern part of New Hampshire, and as much as 3 inches just to the west of the DC metro region. This is a major rain event. No reason at all to disagree with this kind of sentiment that this will indeed be a major rain event. Again, tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night across the Philly, New York City, DC metro regions, into the day on Wednesday from New York City north throughout New England. A wild weather day in New England on a Wednesday. 2 to as much as 5 inches of rain can fall over the next 24 to 48 hours throughout the northeastern part of the country. Stay tuned to the SIweather.com for possible updates later today. That's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist,